Hi, I'm Tiffany. I'm an artist. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the PaintLink feature in Artrage Vitae with my friend Howard Simpson of Apple Studios. So before I had reviewed Artrage Vitae when it first came out, the only thing that I never got a chance to do was review the PaintLink feature. So today's where I'm going to go take a look at it and finally get to use it. And we'll see how it goes.
Alright, so at this point we're already connected. I'm going to move that over, and in the layers you'll see that he has his layer and I have my layers. And I just drew that circle to test it, and he's drawn his circle. It's in a lighter color, so I'm going to import my drawing. I actually drew this drawing on my cell phone in IBIS Paint, and I imported it into Artrage. Alright, so now that we are synced and ready to go, just gonna speed this up. So I am drawing the backgrounds. I brought in a couple of references just to get an idea of how I wanted the style to look, and then I kind of just settled on some colors from a couple of places of inspiration, and I just started. The major tool that I wanted to try out that I hadn't used for a while was the oils. Predominantly, I kind of just use watercolors, but in this case, I wanted to try the oil brushes. The stroke pattern that I'm using was kind of a continuation of the inspiration of how I drew her hair, and I needed to bring her out of the background. At this point, I kind of noticed that he stopped drawing, and it kind of, I was like wondering what happened. But I just kept on going. I was like, oh, more, look, pretty colors. And I started to just experiment and just have fun. It was a great experience, just like knowing that I was, sharing the canvas with someone else, but then I was like wondering, did he take a break or something?
Okay, so this is the point I realized that we weren't connected anymore, and it was kind of, there was no notification or anything that popped up that said otherwise, because in everything that I was looking at on the UI made it seem as if we were still connected. But luckily we were able to disconnect and reconnect, and the drawing synced up and we were able to continue. Unfortunately, I lost that part of my video because I started panicking and I stopped the recording. So, but still, we finished it, and this is the final drawing, painting.
Our connection issues could have been due to our internet connection or the Amazon servers where all of this stuff is happening. But once the files synced up with each other and I saw how amazing the shading turned out on her skin tone, I was really impressed. It surprised me that the color choice for her headband also matched up with the color choices in the background that I made, because we had kept on drawing while we were disconnected. I didn't see Howard make his color choice and he didn't see mine. I almost want to suggest our connection glitch to be an Artrage coloring game concept. It would start out like 1. Connect, pick what you'll color. 2. Disconnect. 3. Reconnect and see how well or how badly your color choices during the session complement each other. It would be a really fun game for collaboration. But aside from that, it was a fun experience painting. There was no lag while it was working. I could see the brush strokes, but I couldn't see the tool that he picked. And that was a little bit disorienting for me. I didn't know what he was doing, so you have to decide during the beginning of the session what you're going to draw. But again, it was still fun, and I enjoyed the painting session. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.